Chris Smith, and this is IntelleTools, and we're here today to demonstrate some brand new tools that we've developed. The circular cutting saw is held on our long pole tool, and it has a dust collector on it that is hooked to a vacuum cleaner. It's got a remote actuating switch that turns the saw on and off with a cable actuation. The saw also tilts back and forth about this axis that we'll see in just a little bit when we go to operate it. That way the saw can come down on the front edge, and then the plunge cut can be made as you would a normal piece of wood. The saw or any other tool on the end of this can be actuated with the linkage here and attached with just a bar. So as long as the tool has a post on it, it can be adjusted up and down and back and forth on the unit. Also at this end we have the ability to hang the tool from the hoist, which we'll demonstrate today. And this hoist ring can be adjusted anywhere on here so that it's near the center of gravity and your tool hangs fairly straight by the time it's attached. At the handle end then, we have the handle which tilts the saw, the brake lever here which turns the saw on and off, and then of course you've got the power cord and the cable for the actuation switch running down the length of it here. In addition to the power switch here, which is kind of a safety switch, there's a foot switch, so once it's activated here, the saw can be turned on and off by the foot switch. So in normal operations, the operator would come over and adjust the stand to the desired height for doing the cutting operation. In this case, we're going to be cutting off this angled board sitting here. The stand is set up with some cam follower bearings here that allow the saw to move in and out. It also has a pivot joint here that allows the saw to be tilted in position, and then a rotary action at the base here to let it be moved back and forth. So you got 3 degrees of freedom here, which are very nice for doing the positioning that's needed for the saw. That's now cut off and put it in the waste container for disposal at the waste site. Thank you very much.